So here we are discussing test series 2, question number 4, and this question belongs to the topic of transducers, and more precisely capacitive transducers. So the question goes as: a capacitive transducer working on the principle of change of capacitance with change of displacement exhibit non-linear characteristics. The response of these transducers can be made linear by using. So here you are given with the 4 options. So we'll analyze individual option at a time. So so first of all we'll try to understand that what question says. So if you see a capacitor transistor, then the governing equation is C is equals to epsilon naught epsilon R A by D. So if you are working with the principle of change of distance between two plates, that is D, then D is inversely proportional to capacitance. So if you try to write C is inversely proportional to D. So now if you change T, then there will be an inverse effect on the capacitance. So this is what the question says. Now now further it asks that how can it be made linear. So now see the first option. First option says it differential arrangement. Now what is a differential arrangement? Differential arrangement is inserting a midway plate. Suppose this is the one plate of a capacitor transducer and this is the second plate. So if you insert a midway plate, okay, so if I number it as M, it's a mid plate. This is electrode 1, this is electrode 2, and it will be also at certain potential. Then if we give the displacement to this midway plate, we can actually overcome the disadvantage of inversely proportional relationship. Now use of an op-amp. Now you can use a op-amp in order to filter out or in order to change the inversely proportional relationship. So this also can be done, or working over a small displacement range, that is delta D. So if you work for a very small displacement range, if you want to measure very small displacement which are of the order of micrometers, then you can use the principle of change of distance between the plates. Okay, so now if you see, then option A is also correct, B is also correct, and C is also correct. So option number D, which says all of them above, is very much correct. So for this type of questions, do look at all the 4 options carefully and then try to answer. So option number D for question number 4 is correct.